Hello all, welcome back. So today we will see another interview question. Uh, Let me open my notepad. So yeah, uh, we will have to find the maximum and minimum value from a from an array. So let's say if we will have an array, and let's say the values are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay. So from this array we will have to write a code so that it can get the max value. So the max in this case will be 50 and the minimum value, so the minimum will be 10. And so let's start the coding part. So let me create a new class. Let's call this max minimum array from array. Okay, and I will check this main method, click on finish. So close this. Okay, so just I will copy this array, and I will also declare two variables, max and minimum, as array at position 0, and minimum is also array at position 0. Now we will write a for each loop. So I will just write for int number and array. So this particular loop will iterate through all the elements of the array, and it will store the values in this number. And now we will write a logic. uh, we will write if number is greater than max. In that case we will tell that max should be equal to the number, right? And under condition, if number is less than minimum, then minimum should be equal to number, right? And at the end we will just print out maximum value is, and say max, and the same for the minimum value. Minimum value is minimum. So okay, let's run this code and check if it is working fine or not. As Java application. Okay, so we can see the output. The maximum value is 50, which is expected, and the minimum value is 10. So yeah, this code is working fine, and this is one of the questions which we frequently get in the interview. So thanks all for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.